Nylon filament is an extremely strong and durable material with excellent flexibility and abrasion resistance. It's ideal for tools, mechanical parts, and hinges. However, it absorbs moisture, so always store it in a dry box. Recycling 3D prints helps reduce waste. Broken parts, failed prints, and leftover filament can be shredded and re-extruded into usable filament using a filament recycler. This supports sustainability, especially for heavy prototyping, and reduces cost over time with environmentally conscious material reuse. 3D scanning and printing work together to duplicate real-world objects. A 3D scanner captures dimensions, converting physical shapes into digital models. These can be printed as replicas or improved upon. It's used in restoration, spare parts, reverse engineering, and design customization. Eco-friendly filaments promote sustainable 3D printing. PLA is biodegradable, while recycled PETG uses post-consumer plastics. Manufacturers now offer spools made from recycled cardboard and compostable packaging. Choosing green filaments helps reduce your plastic footprint without compromising print quality or performance. Cloud 3D printing platforms like Octoprint let you control printers remotely, monitor progress, pause jobs, or adjust settings from any device. This is especially useful for long prints, remote management, or makers with multiple printers in labs, schools, or home workshops. Filament tolerance impacts extrusion reliability. High-quality filament offers tight diameter tolerance, plus minus 0.02 millimeters, ensuring smooth flow and consistent layers. Poor tolerance causes jams, layer inconsistencies, or under-extrusion. Investing in premium filament leads to fewer problems and better print results long-term. Calibrate your printer regularly to maintain accuracy and reliability. Check your extruder steps, bed leveling, and nozzle height. Small misalignments can ruin prints, waste filament, and damage your printer's components over time. Octoprint plugins extend remote printer control with webcams, filament tracking, and print analytics. This makes monitoring multiple machines or long prints much easier and helps prevent filament runouts, temperature errors, or time-consuming failures. Direct drive extruders have the motor close to the hot end, offering better control for flexible filaments. Bowden setups are lighter and faster for rigid materials. Choose based on your needs, speed, or material variety.